Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a JavaScript function to find the second lowest and second greatest numbers in an array. It is a great exercise for understanding array sorting and handling duplicates. We work through the logic, cover edge cases, and see how it works with examples. Let's get started with the problem breakdown. We're given an array of numbers. We need to return the second lowest and second highest values. In the example, the array of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The second lowest is 2, and the second greatest is 4. It also means we must sort the array and remove any duplicates. Let's walk through the function logic that achieves it. We first sort the array in ascending order using a comparison function. Then, we build a new array called unique A by removing duplicate elements. We use index 1 for the second smallest and length minus 2 for the second largest. Finally, we join these two values into a string and return the result. Here's the breakdown of how this logic flows. After sorting, we loop through and build a new array without duplicates. Then we pick out the second element and second to last element. This simple structure keeps the code clean and efficient. Let's test our function with a few inputs. In the first case, the second lowest is 2 and the second greatest is 4. In the second one, both second lowest and second highest turn out to be 12. This shows how the function handles arrays with repeated values. This logic applies to many real-world problems. You can use it in rankings, reports, and further analytics. It is great for identifying near-top performance in a list of scores. Let's wrap things up with a quick summary of what we've learned. We've successfully built a function find the second smallest and second largest numbers in an array. It is a perfect example of how sorting and filtering work hand in hand. Try modifying this for different types of rankings or scoring systems. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next JavaScript project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you